Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on cleaning the Mercedes Dyson V12. Today, we will guide you through the necessary steps to ensure your device is thoroughly cleaned and maintained. Let's dive right in. First, gather the tools you will need for this cleaning process. You'll need a set of screwdrivers, preferably a Phillips and a flathead, a microfiber cloth, a brush with soft bristles, and a vacuum cleaner with a hose attachment. These tools will help you access all the areas that need cleaning without causing any damage. Once you have your tools ready, the first step is to unplug the device. Safety is paramount, especially when dealing with electrical components. After you have disconnected it from the power source, proceed to remove any detachable parts. For the Dyson V12, you will want to remove the dust container and the filter. If you are unsure how to do this, consult your user manual for guidance. Now that you have disassembled the necessary parts, let's clean the dust container. Use your vacuum cleaner with the hose attachment to remove any debris and dust inside. For a more thorough clean, you can wash the dust container with warm soapy water. Make sure to rinse it well and let it dry completely before reassembling. Next, let's focus on the filter. It's essential to clean this part regularly to maintain the efficiency of your Dyson. Rinse the filter under cold water until the water runs clear. Avoid using any detergents or soaps, as these can damage the filter. After rinsing, allow it to air dry for at least 24 hours before placing it back in the device. While cleaning, if you find any stubborn dirt or grime, gently use the brush with soft bristles to scrub the affected areas. This will help remove any buildup without scratching your surfaces. Remember, thoroughness is key to ensuring your Dyson performs optimally. If you don't have all the necessary tools or prefer professional assistance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service allows you to have your device cleaned without any hassle. Just schedule an appointment, and we will take care of the rest. No calls, no travel required. Moving on to the internal components, carefully open the main casing of the Dyson V12. This step may require a Phillips screwdriver. Be cautious when removing screws, keep them in a safe place so you don't lose any. Once the casing is open, you can use your microfiber cloth to wipe down the internal surfaces. This will help remove any dust that may have accumulated over time. After cleaning the internals, reassemble the device carefully, ensuring all screws are tightened to avoid any loose components. If you're unsure about reassembly, you can always refer back to the user manual. Finally, before you power up your Dyson V12 again, double-check that everything is in place. If you did encounter any issues during the cleaning process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. Once everything is back in order, plug in your Dyson and test it out. You should notice improved performance and efficiency. Regular maintenance and cleaning are essential to prolonging the life of your device. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.